Hey, how's it going everyone? Nick here with The Last Coat. We've had a few people asking if you can use an electric pressure washer with the PF22 foam cannon and the last soap, and the answer is yes. I personally use a 2000 PSI Ryobi. It's 1.2 gallons per minute. You have a quick connect fitting here, and then you need a 1/4 inch quick connect fitting on the end of your gun to actually accept the PF22, if anybody was wondering. Then it just quickly clips in there. So if you have these removable tips, this will fit into your gun. I have 4 ounces of the last soap in here mixed up with water. So you're first going to put your last soap in there, then you add water. Adding water last helps mix it. If you have warm water, that will also help as well. Then, if you're using an electric pressure washer, the moment you start, it may not exactly spray extremely thick foam depending upon where this dial is set. If it is set full all the way to the left, or to the right, I mean, being clockwise, kick it back 1 click, then start foaming from there. Then kick it back a couple more clicks if need be. That will actually get the thick amount of foam. As soon as you've done that, you're pretty much good to go. You have it dialed in. So if you ever started and it was just kind of coming out the end there and it was a little bit watery, need to mess with the dial, but mess with the dial slowly while you're on the trigger. This will help achieve the foam. So I'm going to start here and show you guys how to do it. You can now hear the difference as I started messing with the dial here. And the other thing too, when using an electric pressure washer, because you're using an electric pump, sometimes it may not have the pressure to keep up with the amount of volume that you're trying to push through here. So if you hear the pressure washer dip down, let off the trigger for a second, then start foaming again. And if you have to, repeat the same process with this to allow you to get the thickest foam possible. So again, you can hear how it changed tone. Went to 96 dollars. So that's how you guys do it. I'm also going to show a video on how to tear down the PF22 and fully clean it. If some of you guys have really calcified water, calcium in here can clog up the tiny little orifices. You just need to break the calcium free. So if you've noticed the foam isn't producing very well like it was originally, probably because it got some calcium inside here. Or the other thing, if you're using a fitting that's starting to rust, some rust can also get trapped in there too, and you can clean that out as well and get the cannon back to working like it's supposed to. So I'll make that video and show you guys how to tear one down and fix it as well.